Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So that candle, it gave us here a bad thing. It's breaking for us that level here, and it's breaking for us that triangle or that rising wedge or whatever. Name it. The names, it doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So, without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, my friend, we came back to you when the daily candle finished, as you see it, that one. So, that candle, it gave us here a bad thing. It's breaking for us that level here, and it's breaking for us that triangle or that rising wedge or whatever, name it. The names, it doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. So now when it's break it, as we show you before, we make our calculation. The calculation of us, we make it from here. Then when it's breaking, we make it here. So we said it's going to drop till here, till 19,462, my friend. That means it's going to drop till to touch here, that long-term trend here. So I think now we are in a bad moment of the Bitcoin, my friend. And another thing, if you see it here in that zone, here, like that, it tried to give you here a double top or a double or a M. So be aware of those things, my friend. If it's breaking for you, the lower here, if a candle came and closed below that one like that, at when you came, you calculating from here, and where is the candle break? It's going to drop maybe till here, maybe till that zone here. So everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. But me, I still have hope, my friend. Maybe it's going to drop just till here, till that level here. And it's going to hold. Let's hope. Because till now, we hasn't confirmed that here, that candle, it's breaking that rising wedge of us, or that triangle. Because it needs to come back another one to here, to touch it. Then after that, to drop, and when it's going to drop, it needs to break for you that last low here, my friend. Everything is too clear. Get the picture, my friend. If you do, smash the like button, my friend. I want you to disaster it. I want that video to reach 100 like if it's possible. Help us. You saw us. We're doing hard job for you. We put in every time for you videos. So it's a small things to support us by just smashing the like button, my friend. So, my friend, as I told you, now it needs to come back upward to touch from down here, and don't break it up, then it will fall down till here maybe. Then we see if that zone here is going to hold. If it hold, then maybe like that, then it went upward. That's a very good scenario. The bad scenario, if it fall down till here, that one is the baddest scenario, my friend. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, even if that one broke there, not the power of our analysis, it hasn't break here. So till now, there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. We're still above that trend line or that triangle line. That the power of our analysis, my friend, in the chart, it's showing it's breaking that rising wedge, but here, it's still above it, as you see it. So it will touch it here, then after that it will go upward to break for us that last high. But that just analysis, my friend, because that long-term trend, that one, it's still showing a big rejection. As you see it, my friend, it touched the price, then now it started falling. Now we are going to see what the price is going to do, if it's going to break that one here. If it's break it, that's when we are going to see it down here at the oversold area. If it's holding here, if it's holding here, my friend, At man, we are going to go upward. So let's see the coming days. It will show us what happening, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one, my friend, as you see it, it's still here in the middle. So it hasn't touched the overbought area. So me, I think it will go in upward. And even our indicator, it shows us that breakout here, it falls, my friend. So let me go back here. Our indicator, my friend, it shows us that breakout here is just a false breakout. We are not sure about it, but let's wait and see what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to us. Maybe from here it will go in upward, but we will be sure that breakout is real. When it's going to break for us, another candle came. Let's put it like that. Another candle will come and break it down here and close down here. That is the time also we are going to be sure that a real breakout, not a fake one. Me, I'm talking about that one, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, my friend, in the 4 hours, the picture is more clear here. As you see it, that one it's break. It came another candle, it's break it. But now, as you see it, the price it tried to retrace. So we need to wait it to go back to touch here, to touch that trend line up. Then after that, to break the lower of us, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So as I told you, that one, it need to come back up and to touch that the lower of that triangle or rising wedge or name it, whatever the names, doesn't matter, my friend. Most important to know how to draw it and to know how to trade it. That's the most important, my friend. So we need another candle to come and to close below that level here. It need another candle to come like that, or the price to do like that. So like that is going to give you here in that place, a low, high, and low. So a trend, as majority of you know, my friend, uptrend, it give you like that, higher highs, like that. And the falling trend line, my friend, it give you like that, lower low, my friend. So here it's need the price to come back and touch here that rising or the lower of that rising wedge. Then after that it's need to come and to break for you that one. That's when we are going to be sure it's being broken, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. And another thing here, very important, my friend. I tell it to you before and I will tell it to you now. As you see, my friend, here, because that one here, that volume, is it the volume of that candle here? And that one here, is it the volume of that candle here? So you bring it like that and like that, my friend. Let's change in that color for the picture to be more clear to you. If you see here, like that, and down here, like that. It's showing to you, my friend, there is a divergence here, my friend. It's very clear divergence in the volume. So it might now, the price it will go in upward again, my friend. As I show you before in our indicator, it's not breaking yet. I'm going to update you every day. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend. For the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it here, it's become orange, my friend. It's not yet at the oversold area, but it's become orange, my friend. Maybe it's going to drop a little bit till here, till it will touch in that zone here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. But till now, there is no opportunity to buy, my friend. By the way, if you are someone who are wondering what else we're talking about, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. That course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis. It's going to take you from scratch till you're going to be pro technical analysis person, my friend. If you want to learn from people that the job of them, that what they're doing for a living, the course is down. By the way, the course is not expensive. If you're using the couple link, it will cost you only $13, my friend. It's the price of a cup of coffee. And that course, my friend, believe me, is better than millions of courses they sell it to you by $1,000 or $2,000. But it's up to you, my friend. If you don't want to invest in yourself, it's up to you. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into 30 minutes to show you more, my friend, what the price telling us there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember, us we drawing here, that channel, that one. And I told you in the previous video, the price it touch it again. So I told you me in the previous video to enter long from here. Now, what you see, me, I'm not talking about the people they want to invest in Bitcoin, my friend. I'm talking about the people they want to scalp the market or day trade or something like that. If you see, my friend, here, what the price tried to give you here in that place, it's not confirmed yet, but it tried to give you there a head and shoulder, my friend. If it's breaking that one, you calculating from here till here. So as I told you, it's going to go upward to touch that rising wage or to touch that 200 moving average. That one, as you see, the one, that blue one here, is the 200 moving average, the simple one, my friend. Nothing fancy. Everything is really very clear, my friend. So, my friend, you get the picture. And another thing here, I show you that one before. I tell it to you. I told you also we got here a divergence, as you see it in the volume, my friend. It might that one, all that move here, it's just a fake move. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. But if you enter, my friend, you aiming to take the profit here at that last high, my friend, or at those ones here. Sorry, it means that those ones, or at those ones here, my friend, at last high here, or at 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what it's telling you, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, here, our indicator, what it's telling you, also we are here at the oversold area, my friend. Because no matter how long it's taken here, it will go in upward, my friend. But I don't tell you to trade without stop loss. If you are a day trader or a scalper, you need to use stop loss. Stop loss of you, it need to put it down in that zone here. Down in 21,900, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend? So, that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. And by the way, if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel and smash the like button, my friend, to help us to put more content like this. Bye for now, my friend.